What up guys? So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 fastest paying survey websites, guys, that are still paying in 2024. The fastest paying website that I know, and they are still legitimate and they are still working up until this day, guys. So the websites that I'm going to share with you guys, they are almost available worldwide. Anyone can use this website during their spare time or to earn some extra pocket money during your spare time or whenever you're bored, guys. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. But before we get started with our today's topic, can you please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to hit that like button because it helps us to reach more people who are interested in this kind of topic. So guys, as I mentioned before, in today's video I'm going to share with you some of the fastest paying websites in the world right now, and they are still legitimate. There are other people making money worldwide using these websites, guys. So the first website that I want us to take a look at, it's a website goes by the name of Surveytimes, guys. So this website, this is the website, guys. Okay, you can use the link in the description down below. It will take you directly to their website. This is the website that I'm talking about, guys. So this is the website that I'm talking about. Yes, here you can take a survey and then you will get paid instantly straight into your PayPal account. Yes, you can withdraw via Bitcoin or you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal, guys. The only way to make money here is by taking surveys. Surveys is the main way to make money here on this platform, guys, and is one of those survey websites that is available worldwide. Anyone can join. In Africa is available, even in the countries in Europe it's available, guys. So I suggest to give this website a try, guys. Yes, here's the thing about survey sites. It doesn't mean that you will qualify for all the surveys, guys. So that's the most boring part, because in some of the surveys, guys, you will get disqualified. So you have to try another survey or you have to go to another platform, guys. Yes, all the platforms that I'm going to share with you, you can join them all in order for you to maximize your earnings. So let's move on to our second website, guys. So the second website is the website called Idle Empire, guys. This is one of my favorite sites, guys. Here you can earn money just by taking surveys or completing offer walls, and guys, watching videos, or by referring other people to this platform. By referring other people to this platform, it will earn you passive income. What do we mean about passive income? When we say passive income, is the money that you make without you have to perform a task or do something in order to earn money. Here, guys, you refer other people, then you will earn a certain commission whenever that person joins and start taking surveys in this platform, guys. This is one of my favorite platforms, guys. It's been around for quite some few years, guys. So guys, this is one of the trusted websites that I use most of the time when I'm bored or whenever I want to earn some extra money on the side, guys. So I suggest to give this website a try. I'll also leave the link in the description down below. Here's what you're gonna do here, guys. After hitting the link in the description below, you will be directed to this page whereby you have to sign in using your Google account, or you can sign in just manual, just by filling in your details or by filling in your personal information, guys. So note that you'll have to complete a demographic survey. That demographic survey profile, guys, it will get you some of the surveys that are matching your profile, guys, so that they can give you surveys that are matching your profile. So also here, guys, it doesn't mean that you will qualify for all the surveys. In some of the surveys you will be disqualified. You will have to look for another one if you are disqualified, and they will give you a certain small commission for being disqualified, guys. So let's move on to the last one. This website that I want us to take a look at. It's a website called Super Pay Me. This website right over here, it goes by the name of Super Pay Me, guys. So here's what they say: earn money by taking surveys online, guys. You can also here complete offers, and you can also complete offers or refer other people to their platform. This website, guys, it's been around also for quite a while now. You can withdraw your earnings by Amazon gift cards, or you can withdraw cash via PayPal, guys. So this website, guys, you'll earn money by taking surveys and performing various other tasks, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like this video and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video, guys. And tell me, what do you think about these websites, guys, and let me know your opinion about these websites, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.